Now that we know Marcel and Tom's personal information, their knowledge of financial products, and their risk capacity, it is time for the following step: their risk tolerance, which entails the client's emotional and psychological willingness to take risk. The questionnaire involved is powered by Phenometrica, the world's best practice for financial risk profiling, and involves 12 questions, which give the asset manager a clear understanding of the client's attitude towards financial risks. By using algorithms, the Phenometrica toolkit determines the risk tolerance of the person involved. Phenometrica's results are based on big data with answers from more than 1 million users from thousands of financial advisors in over 20 countries. After the completion of the questionnaire, Phenometrica will determine a risk tolerance profile for each person. Phenometrica returns an appropriate risk tolerance category and a text description of Tom or Marcel's psychological risk tolerance profile. Afterwards, Marcel or Tom has to agree with the suggested profile or choose another profile based on their preference. The psychological risk assessment is done for both Marcel and Tom individually. This way, the individual results can be part of the advice process and can be discussed with the clients in the case of a shared account. After the completion of the risk tolerance, Marcel and Tom can fill in a single or multiple financial goals within the next step. In this part of the questionnaire, we calculate the required risk which has to be taken to reach the goal or goals defined by Marcel and Tom. The required risk entails the risk associated with the required return on investment to achieve Marcel and Tom's goals in consideration of the available financial resources. This means that the results of the calculation can show that a particular financial goal is unreachable because the client's risk tolerance or risk capacity does not match with the required risk. A Monte Carlo simulation shows the possible return on investment for the various investment profiles, which also includes the downsides of the associated risks. To ensure a uniform investment advice of the asset manager, the Scope KYC Cloud Portal contains a decision engine which determines whether a risk profile is suitable for a client and which can be tailored to the business rules and procedures of the asset manager. Within the goals part of the questionnaire, possible results are shown to Marcel and Tom in a simple and insightful way, so that they know exactly why certain risk profiles are not suited for them. When the goals, the possible risks, and the results have been discussed with the asset manager, Marcel and Tom can make a choice for a risk profile. An important part of the MiFID II guidelines for choosing a suitable risk profile for a client is the motivation and clarification of the choice. All aspects regarding the choice of the risk profile can be entered in the clarification fields. After the completion of the goals questionnaire, our software generates a report, which can be archived either online or offline. This helps the asset manager to manage his files in a coherent and consistent manner. Thank you for watching our demo videos. If you would like to try our software for yourself, you can request a free demo account via our website, www.scope.nl. And if you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.